Have you ever thought, I understand English, but I can't speak it? Well, you're not alone. Meet Diego, the master of silent English. Diego is from Brazil. He watches English movies, listens to podcasts, and even understands American jokes. His brain? Like Google Translate. His mouth? Like a broken microphone. He studies hard every night. Vocabulary, grammar. But every time someone says, "Hi Diego, how are you?" he freezes, eyes wide. Brain, say something. Mouth, eh. Fine. One day, his English teacher, Ms. Clara, said, "Diego, you'll give a short presentation tomorrow. Just talk about your weekend." That night, Diego prepared like he was going to meet the president. He practiced in front of the mirror. He whispered in the bathroom. He even gave a speech to his dog, Max. Max looked impressed. But the next day, he stood in front of the class. Everyone looked at him. His heart went boom, boom, boom. He opened his mouth and said, "Weekend, sleep, food, thank you," then sat down. Silence, then laughter. Not mean laughter, but friendly, warm laughter. Ms. Clara smiled and said, "Diego, you spoke. That's the first step." After school, Diego went to a cafe. The barista said, "Hey, cool presentation today." Diego blushed and said, "Ha ha ha. Thank you. I try." Then a girl from his class, Amina, sat near him. She smiled and said, "You know, I was scared too, at first." They started talking, slowly, simply, but it was real conversation. Mistakes? Yes. Laughs? Many. Fluency? Not yet. But confidence? Growing. Don't wait to be perfect before you speak. Understanding English is great, but speaking starts with just trying. Even bad English is better than no English. Remember, if you never speak, you'll never improve. Even one sentence is a victory. Freeze, to suddenly stop moving or speaking. Example, I froze when the teacher asked me a question. Presentation, a short talk about something. Example, I gave a presentation about my family, impressed, to think something is really good. Example, Max was impressed with Diego's speech. Breakthrough, a big step or progress. Example, speaking to Amina was a breakthrough for Diego. Confidence, feeling sure and brave. Example, the more you speak, the more confidence you have. Easy. English story with subtitles. English story for students and adults. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories that help you speak English fluently with fun.